Wetlands are part of our landscape defined by the presence of water. They are among the most productive ecosystems. They provide rich habitat for fish and wildlife and a number of goods and services to humans. Wetlands are recognized as important stepping stones and corridors for the Natura 2000 network, as natural water retention systems for floods and in general as a natural shield against climate change. The Balkan Mediterranean territory shares a rich natural heritage consisting of lakes, rivers, inland and coastal wetlands of high biodiversity value. Many of these are also part of an important archaeological and cultural heritage. Despite their importance, knowledge on Balkan Mediterranean wetlands in order to support their protection and conservation is limited, scattered and incomplete. The Transnational Cooperation Program Balkan Mediterranean 2014-2020 finances the project WetMainAreas. Its main goal is to contribute to the protection and conservation of wetlands as a shared asset of the Balkan Mediterranean territory. The project focuses on the development of a harmonized database and of mapping layers for wetland ecosystems with a minimum size of 0.1 hectares in Albania, Bulgaria, Greece, North Macedonia and Cyprus. Mapping of wetland ecosystems is a demanding task. Some wetlands are permanently flooded, others are only seasonally flooded or maybe rarely flooded. The water presence can vary greatly, making them very dynamic ecosystems, while influencing their biodiversity and the provision of goods and services. The Greek Biotope Wetland Centre, together with the National Observatory of Athens, collaborate to set up a methodology and an operational satellite Earth observation service to monitor the water regimes of the wetlands in this region. The satellite Sentinel-2, member of the new generation of European satellites, has been used to map accurately all the water and wet areas in the 5 Balkan Mediterranean countries with an analysis of 10 meters as a baseline information for the update of the national wetland databases. Sentinel-2 is in a low Earth orbit. When the satellite overpasses a wetland, the new image is downloaded and processed, and subsequently the water index is calculated. This information is added to the existing one and updates the status of water permanency. The service provides a time series with all satellite images available. The statistical analysis per pixel can reveal the periodicity, extent, and duration of flooding, as well as occasional or extreme flood events. With time, more images populate the database, increasing the statistical value of the results. This unprecedented wealth of information is available to inform decision makers in support of conservation, management and restoration of more than 8,000 Balkan Mediterranean wetland ecosystems.